Today, most low voltage architectures are based on 12 volts, and it's been that way for probably around 70 years.
Since 1950, the average amount of current flowing through 12 volts solutions has increased by 650%. With this high demand on the electrical power, many OEMs are adopting 48 volts as the next logical step.
In switching from 12 volts to 48 volts, we can actually reduce the amount of current by a factor of 4.
This allows them to reduce the size of the cable, the weight of the component, but also the cost. At the same time, they are positioned well below the 60 volts limit that is accepted as a protection for a shock hazard.
The first devices that will transition to 48 volts will be the power-hungry devices, like electric power steering, electric braking, a lot of the blower fans, things like that. Everything that's used in transmitting power, including your connectors, your terminals, your wires, all have resistance, and you want to minimize that resistance, but you also want to minimize the amount of current. Resistive losses usually result in heat, and that's really where you're seeing your power loss in generating that heat. There's some challenges associated with switching to 48 volts. Whenever you increase voltage, there's a higher risk of arcing. In addition to designing connectors that meet the creepage and clearance requirements, we also want to make sure that the wire routing and also the grounding that's used in the vehicle is designed properly to avoid any potential for arcing. In addition, whenever you increase voltage, there is a risk of electrochemical corrosion if an electrolyte were ever to get into the connection system. You need to make sure you have robust sealing methods and a robust connector. A lot of existing connectors will actually meet the creepage and clearance requirements, but we need to develop some new connection systems as well to fill the gaps.
We have already a broader portfolio of 48 volt connectors, providing a very wide range of solutions from signal connections to higher power applications.